Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If I sound a little low-pitched voice right now, it's because the house is kind of full. I'm feeling low on energy. So I still wanted to bring you my most uncomfortable part of all of my videos, intro. I'm obviously going to be bringing you this nice fall chocolatey pine cone situation. I don't want you to continue to watch this video if you are brand new and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, so go ahead and slap that subscribe button and we can continue. No, you stop. No. Have you done it? Okay, we can go ahead and move on. We're starting out with my paint pot in Layin Low, and we're just doing what you see here, just applying it to my whole lid space and brow bone, the whole eye space. Using the Morphe brushes and James Charles palette collaboration, I am using this green to apply to my crease. Using the same palette, I'm going to be using this brick color to add to my crease as well, just to, I don't know what I thought I was doing, but you know what? This look came out bomb at the end, okay? I ain't even gonna lie. And taking that same green shade that we use for our crease, I'm just applying it and patting it on my lid. Now I'm going to go in to the shade next door to the one that I just used for my crease and apply it to the outer edge, like in a C form, to add a little bit more of a deeper brown smoke. And then using this green shimmer right above the green that we used to our lid and crease, I'm just using my ring finger to apply the shimmer all over top that green. Big shot. Peanut butter inside. Yes, I'm using my Maybelline's Big Shot Colossal Mascara. I'm using my Queen Bee lashes by Coco Lashes. Using the two brown shades that I used in my crease, I'm just bringing them down to my lower lash line. And I'm adding mascara. As we use that green shimmer to place on top of the green shadow on my lid space, I'm applying that to the inner corners of my eyes. And now we're just going to warm up my face with my usual, my L'Oreal's True Match in Cocoa. And I can't forget to dust away the baking powder that I've placed under my eyes while doing my eyeshadow.
my gosh. This is not the right time to be advertising Neutrogena. Excuse me.
Yes, I will be using my ColourPop Cosmetics Red Vino blush as I have been using for the last 30 years. And the same goes for my Gerard Cosmetics Star Powders in Lucy. In this highlight, I just like to use at the high points of my whole face. So brow bone, cupid's bow, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, chin. To set everything, I'm using my Morphe Brushes Continuous Setting Spray. And for my lips, I'm going to be using my Lippie Pencil by ColourPop and Karuchi. I don't know what I'm going to do when this is finally gone. And I'm using Hennyways by ColourPop and Ellarie. And I'm just adding my Lucy Star Powders onto the Cupid's bow of my lips so that doesn't get lost in the clouds. And that completes this look, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. Okay, like I said, if you're brand new, don't forget to slap that subscribe button and hit that bell beside it to be notified of my future uploads. And I will catch you in my next video. Love you.